Afternoon, YouTubers. What's up? Thought I'd show you one of my frost cutlery. I took the belt holder off. Carried it in the back pocket for years. Still good and tight. Don't know what kind of steel that is. Holds the edge good though. Blade's about 3 inches or so. Handle's about 4. Camo's still pretty good on it. Most all his says is use frost cutlery. Works for me. Broke in quite well. I ain't seen these on TV in a long time either. Well, folks, have a great day. Stay safe. God bless you. And please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.